Welcome to ARM Technologies KSA.
Introduction to Fanuc Robot. Fanuc is a leading global manufacturer of industrial robots, sensing systems, and factory automation solutions. Fanuc robots are widely used in various industries, including automotive, electronics, metalworking, food and beverage, and logistics, due to their precision, reliability, and versatility. A Fanuc robot normally comes from the factory with a coat of yellow paint. They can be other colors though. It can be painted in a variety of colors depending on what company will be using them. This robot can come in many shapes and sizes. A Fanuc robot is a 6-axis robot that is manufactured by Fanuc Robotics.
What is the use of Fanuc?
Fanuc robots are typically used to improve productivity, product quality, cycle times, and the overall efficiency of a manufacturing process. Tasks that are repetitive, tedious, hazardous, or time-consuming are ideal for automation with a Fanuc robot. What is Fanuc robot programming?
Just like all other robot manufacturers, Fanuc has its own flavor of structured text programming language. With Fanuc there are two programming languages, Teach Pendant (TP) and Corel. The TP language is the code that can be seen on the Teach Pendant and must be used on every robot application. What type of controller does Fanuc use?
Fanuc's R30+ robot controllers feature the iPendant with enhanced screen resolution and processing capability. The user interface ISHMI can display guides for setup and programming as well as tutorials from the main home page, which has a design common to Fanuc CNCs, enabling easier use of robots. It is designed with 3 cabinet styles: A cabinet, B cabinet, and Mate cabinet. It features a CPU dual processor for fast programming and increased application accuracy. It is integrated with Fanuc's AccuPath software for advanced tracking as well as collision detection. An electronic motion control system comprises of a few key elements, namely the controller, the motor drive, the motor, and the feedback sensor. Each of these plays a unique role in achieving precise motor control and improving the system's efficiency. How Teach Pendant works. Jogging an industrial robot with a Teach Pendant involves the manual movement of the robot arm to a specific position or along a path with accuracy and precision. What is the function of the dead man switch? The function of dead man switch is to stop the robot automatically and safely when operator cannot perform normal operation due to the unexpected fainting or death during the manual operation of robot using Teach Pendant.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.